Hey, thanks for coming back to Serene in the Making. In this series, I'm focusing on all things floral. With that being said, let me ask, do you think hyacinths are tricky? Not with ovals and star clusters. I'll give you 7 easy steps where you can create your hyacinth. So grab your H and your B pencils and let's get started. Some things you'll need is multimedia paper, an eraser, and a sharpener. Step 1, you're going to start with an oval. I found that most flowers start with an oval or a circle. For this sketch, I chose to do 2 flowers, but you can create whatever you like. For your second step, you're going to add the stem. It's going to be one single line, but eventually you're going to build that line out. Step 3, your curved lines are going to become leaves. These simple shapes give your hyacinth its shape without any fuss. Step number 4. This is where you create the center and guidelines. This is going to give you an idea of how you want to arrange your petals. Step 5. If you ever look closely at a hyacinth petal, to me, they look like tiny stars. So you'll fill up your oval with a bunch of these starfish shapes. It's really easy, it's beginner friendly, so don't feel like you have to do it perfectly. Your stars can be random and it can be many different sizes. So once I finally got the hang of my petals, I figured let me speed up this process. Liking this? Subscribe and check out the full Beginner Floral Series playlist for more. Step 6. Now grab your B pencil. This is where you can deepen your petals, your leaves, and give your flower dimension. You can even go a step further and shade different parts of your hyacinth. Now that's a technique I would love to master. Maybe I'll look into that in some future videos. This part of your sketch is optional. So while we're here, let's talk about the color symbolism of this flower. It's said that the blue hyacinth is for sincerity, the purple one is for an apology, the pink is for joy, the white is for innocence, and the yellow is for jealousy. Uh-oh. Let me know which color I should pick for a future video. Step 7. So you're coming down to the end of your drawing, and this is where you're going to erase any leftover guides and clean up any stray marks. Also, pat yourself on the back. You've got a hyacinth in bloom. That's it. Your hyacinth sketch in 7 easy steps. If you'd like more tutorials, I've linked the full playlist in the description box below. Thanks for coming with me on my creative art journey. More flowers are on the way. Okay, I'm gonna go and get back to the drawing board.